Hello, I hope you are doing well. So, today I am here to explain you about VeTrac application, like how to install the application and how to use it. So, before moving to how, we should ask why, which is very important. Why we should use VeTrac application. So, first I will tell you why, then we will move to how. So, why we should use this application? Like in today's world, there are many field related jobs like medical representatives, sales, where people needs to travel from point A to point B and they have to perform some activities, meet some new customer, they have to meet some new doctors, etc. So they need something to record this, like how much distance they have covered, how many kilometers they have traveled, and how many activities they have done, or which doctor they have met. So if you do this manually, it will take lots of time. It can consume your entire day itself. So we thought we will come up with VeTrac application which will do everything for you, like how much distance you are covering, how many kilometers you are traveling, which doctor you are meeting or which customer you are meeting, and how much activity you have done till entire day, like today how many activities you have done. So we came up with this application. I hope you got your why. Now we will move to how we should install this application. Like you can see there is VeTrac in Play Store. If you search, you will get this page. You have to click on install, and based on your network speed, it will take few seconds and it will install. You have to wait a little. Now you can click on open. Now you can click on skip or next. If you are feeling lazy, you can click directly skip, or we can click next. Got it. After doing this, the main criteria of using this application is GPS itself. If you don't enable GPS, this application won't work. So we'll click on yes. We will enable the GPS. We will go back. We will accept. We will allow while using the app. While using the app, we can click on allow. We will grant background permission, allow all the time. Now click on back. Now you have to enter your credentials which you will get from your company, which will be generally your mobile number itself. After writing credentials, you have to write your password. You have to click login. Now it will take few seconds, again depending upon your speed, and it will log in. Now you can see there are many tiles. There are customers loading. You can see this is track, profile settings, perform activity, reports. Now you can see at the bottom there is punch in button, and what is that? You will get to know now. When you click on punch in, it will ask you whether you really want to punch in or not. You have to click yes. So the moment you have punched in means your attendance marked for today, and your distance will be calculating from now onwards. So how to check it? Go to reports. As you can see, there are three things: option, attendance, activity, distance. You can click any of those and get the information. By default, it's already selected attendance. You can select your user, and date will be today's date only. You have to submit, and you can see at the serial number 2 at 4:05 I have punched in, and I didn't punched out till now. That's why it's telling didn't punched out. When you will punch in and punch out, it will record both the things. As you can see in the serial number 1, as it punched in at 15:09 and it has punched out at 15:10. Now if you want to check distance, click on distance, again submit. Now you can see all the distance you will get, as I am not traveling anywhere and I am at the same position from a long time, so it's telling 0 kilometers I have traveled. Like this, if you come on activity and you will submit, you will see there is no data present for the day because I haven't performed any activity today. Now go back, we'll perform one activity, and in this page you will get many activities based upon your company. I will go for P-delivery. You have to choose prospect. You have to click here. You have to do A. or any customer you want to search, you can search any customer here. You will get all the details. You have to select. Now you have to fill all the details. You have to select today's date. You have to select time, at which time you want to perform the activity. Then you have to submit. After submitting, it will take few seconds and your reports will be submitted. You have to wait few seconds. Now you can see activity performed successfully. Now how to check whether activity all has performed or not? Go back, click on reports, click on activity, select yourself and submit. See, now we can see at which location we have performed the activity, what is the status of the activity, and if you click on this pre-delivery, you will get what was the company name, what was the customer name, what is the department, what was activity type, how many times it has postponed or not, task number, manager name, everything which you needs, and at what time it has performed. Now go back. Now we'll go to track. In track, you will be able to see your live location, like presently where you are. And at second option, you can see travel path. So travel path will tell you how or which road you have took. Like if you are traveling from point A to point B, it will mark, it will come as a line, like you can see yourself. When you zoom it out, if you have traveled somewhere, it will tell you which path you have taken or which road you have taken. So it will be easy for you to know, okay, at which place you have went, how you went. And in settings you can come, you can see this all the options. Depending upon the requirement, you can sync, you can clear the data. If you go back, you can come to profile where you can see yourself. What is your role, which location you are, your email ID, your name, everything. So this was the VeTrac application. And now last is punch out. The moment you punch out, it will stop. Today's distance and everything will be stopped to till that time. And if you haven't punched out, automatically it will punch out at night 12 o'clock. I hope it is clear. Thank you and have a good day.